Okay, so we're going to do a quick video. Obviously Rex is here as well, and obviously you'll be able to see the lawnmowers behind us. So we sell a few of these ground mounts, but we don't really advertise them, so we're just going to do a quick video. They do them in 30 degrees, 20 degrees and 15 degrees, but it's super simple. You just bolt them to there, just go together, you put the fixings in the bottom, you lift your solar panel up, drop it into place, it clamps down, tighten them down, easy as that. So a view from the back, obviously this frame comes complete, so you just need to bolt it at the top. That folds down into the bottom rail, and then you've got these two cross rails which obviously keep it from moving around. You've got clamps that go onto the bottom, so if you want to clamp it onto a building or put some ballast down on the ground, but this just quickly shows you how easy and fast it is to go together. So what you can do also with these, obviously you can use it as a ground mount in that direction. You can also mount it direct for a wall, so if you wanted to, like a balcony, or just project it out to the wall, so you put your clamps onto the wall, onto the corrugation, put your cross plate on the back to give it sturdiness, and then your solar panels go on the front. So putting it together is quite easy. So you just lift your upright up, line it up, put your screw in, next screw in, tighten down. So again, fitting the panel from behind. So lift the panel. Slide it into the slot. Drop it down. Grease the clamps in. As easy as that. Yeah, so it's August now. Obviously customers are starting to get worried. Obviously we're starting to approach winter. I know it's a bit early, but people are starting to think about it now. So they're asking about keeping batteries, so like tractors or launching tractors for like yachts, anything with batteries that's sort of going to be sitting for a while. They want to keep them sort of topped up through the winter, so obviously when they need them, they can go straight to them and top them up. So this is like a normal 12-volt battery. This is like one of the cheap budget controllers. I've connected the positive to the solar panel already, so I'll just connect the negative to the negative, connect the positive to the positive. It gives me a reading. I'll show you shortly when I get closer, but yeah, shows you the reading. Quickly connect through the MC4, and then it starts to charge. Right, so let's have a look at this charging. So the sun's, oh yep, you can see the sun, it's up there. Obviously it's a bit of cloud today, but even with that sun, the solar panel's not actually pointing directly at it. But just let's have a look. So when we connected it before, it was at I think it was 12.2 volts, but you can see there. So it is, just well, it starts going around again. It's got no load. Yeah, so the battery, it says the temperature is 21 degrees. The battery voltage is now 13 volts. The PV coming in is 22, and it's charging the battery at nearly 2 amps there, which isn't bad considering it's quite grey. So other things you can use these for, anything that needs sort of backup remote power, fish ponds. A lot of my customers use them for fish ponds to keep the algae at bay. You've got alarm systems, CCTV systems, any sort of thing that needs sort of backup power. A lot of people still use them for like decorative lighting or just some sort of security lighting, remote offices. So anywhere that hasn't got mains power, you just need a bit of remote power, is coming quite handy. Yep, so that's me done for today. So if you've got any questions or if you need any help, just have a look on the website or just leave something in the comments. So that's obviously bye from me and bye from Rex. You going to say anything for the camera, Rex? I'm going to say? No, nothing today from Rex. So yeah, if you like, just leave us a like or subscribe. It's really helpful for the channel. Okay, thanks very much. Come on, Rex, say something. No.